Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Jay.
And there is something called corporate massage that is very, very powerful in 2025, where we go in, we assess the staff or that are involved, and we figure out what's wrong, why are they having headaches, neck pain, wrist pain, back pain, and make a difference in their lives. Very quickly go in and do the therapy we need to do instead of just these boring chair massages that don't do anything.
Yeah, why we doing this? Because the life is get a little bit tougher. It's like you can see the marketing is shrink, and why you need to be on the first spot. And the first spot, that's mean your workers, your team is in a good mood, is in a good body control, no pain. Just think about it. If you're, let's say, you're a leader in the pain, it's a 76% of your brain take that pain, emotional, you suffering. You don't produce any energy. I mean, you don't produce any ideas. You're not active. You not growing. And can be really push you out from your goal, from your deadlines, whatever. And you can lose the big contracts that's happened before. So we don't want that. We want to come in, assess, find out what's the problem, treat your people, and even go to their houses if you want to sign up those different packages and work on your team. So become a best in your industry, become number one, and of course get some more and more clients for yourself.
And in addition, my dad was an optometrist, and we did something called vision therapy.
Oh, yeah.
And there are exercises for eye stress. If you have trouble with reading,
Yeah.
your eyes get tired, you get headaches when you read, all these things for the eyes. There are certain exercises you can do for that. In addition, that's going to make you feel so much better and less fatigued.
Yes, and it's tax deductible. So remember, the money is coming back. So stop buying those pizzas and coffee or donuts. It's better to buy our treatments and receive that very energetic head skull massage, working on those joints, lower back, and like I said, get some more healthy team. Thanks for watching. Book online or give us a call, and we answer all your questions.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.